Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Friday Night Funkin' King Kong. Now, I don't know much about this game, so I thought I'd give it a try by drawing a Godzilla and a King Kong version. So please let me know what you think, and if you have different ideas, or if you like the style, or want to see more of it, definitely let me know. But I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our Friday Night Funkin' Kong, we're going to begin right here. So I'm going to start by making a little line that's going to come down. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go out, and then it's going to come up here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, and then one here that's going to go up and down for the nose. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up with a little line across. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to come over here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and it's going to come around to here. Starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back. We'll add a little line that's going to go up and down, and we'll put another one here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to about here, and then we'll add the ear. Now to make the ear, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come down and then back up here like a triangle. Then I'm going to add another little triangle shape right inside of here. Starting here, I'm going to add a little line that's going to go up and down, another one up and down here, and then we'll come over. Right here, we'll make a line that's going to go up, it's going to come down and connect to here. And I'm going to add a little tooth in here. Starting here, I'm going to add a tall black oval. Then I'm going to add another one right here. And we're going to put the big, kind of mean looking eyebrows right above it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw this line down. I'm going to make this line go out, and I'm going to bring it up to here. Make another line that comes around. We'll make a little curved line here. And a little line that's going to go up and down. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up to here for the arm. Now, starting here, I want to add the feet. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to go out. We're going to curve it up. Then we're going to go over and then up. Draw another one right here. It's going to go up and down. And then one more here, up and down. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a big line, kind of like a big, kind of roundish, kind of circular shape. It's a little flat at the bottom. I'll make one that's going to go down and over. And then another one over here. It's going to come down and over for the toes. And we'll make a little line up. Now, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and then come up to here. I want to make kind of like an oval shape here, and then another oval shape over here. I want to make an oval shape here, kind of more of like a bigger circle shape here, and then another kind of square shape over here for his toenails. Now over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up, and then another one that's going to go down and up. I'm going to bring this up here, and we're going to come over. Then I'm going to start here, we're going to bring this line up and over. Then I want to put a little line that's going to go up, down, and over. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, and then one over here that's going to go up. A little curved line across. I want to make a line that's going to come up, over, and then down. And up here I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then one more it's going to come up and down. Right here I'm going to make a line that's going to go out. I'm going to come down and in. I'm going to go out and in. And one more out and in here. Right here I'm going to go up and down. We'll come down to here, and then right over here for his axe. Then we'll just add a couple little lines in here, just to make it look like it's connected. Then right here, I'm just going to add a little line that's going to come down, and it's going to come right to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Friday Night Funkin' Kong. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.